So, hey guys, this is Gurnoor Singh, and you're watching my channel. Today, I'll be summarizing whatever I have learned from the Go course. While I have not covered so much, whatever I have covered till now, I'll be summarizing that. Please stay with me, bear with me. So, let's begin. So, let's understand the basic structure of the Go program. First, there comes package, then imports, and then func main. This is actually same as C++ int main, and from here the compiler actually starts reading your program and executes each and every instruction given here. So let's see in depth what they actually mean. So here we have declared that the package is main. What does this means? That the main package is a starting point from for the Go program. The you can see that like there is a rule in Go language that the folder name has to be the package name. For example, this folder name is basics, so I have named this package as basics. So let's and in other programs it's the same case. All right, so let's continue from here. This is the package thing. The scope of this program is till this package, and then we have a import statement. This FMT, this stands for formatted input and output. The like if we have to print something in the console, we have to use this FMT. Without this, we can't print. Now, the funcmain here, it's written fmt.println. Uh, in brackets, there is a double quotes which says "Hello World" and an exclamation mark, which which will which will print in the terminal. So let's try to run it. There are several commands in Go program to run the program. First is to like compile the program and then save the binary file in your local directory, which can be used, which can be run later to save the resources. So it can be compiled using go build command. And let's write the name. It's L39 underscore. I think my terminal is in wrong directory. So let's try again. Go build L39. Mm, yeah, L29. It's L29 underscore L30 dot go. Go build. Okay, all right, all right. Go build command isn't found. No required module found. Go to more found. No found. I think I have forgot which command we used to do this. So let me ask ChatGPT. Like we can use ChatGPT a lot. You can also use that. What is the command to um, mm, compile the program but not run it? Go build. It says the go build. Yeah, it says it's go build. Okay, all right. I think there is a typo in the file name. Okay, all right, all right. So I need to go to basics. Yes. Now I'll find that. Go mm, build L29, I guess. Yes, now I can find that. See, it has executed and this program, this new file has been generated, which is binary and we can't see. And if we open anyway, with this, we can't read it properly. So let's delete it for now. Yes, move to trash. All right. So there is another thing that Go supports Unicode. In other languages like C or C++, they support they support ASCII values, which have almost 256 characters. So only those things you can print on the console. But here in Go, you can print even these emojis, etc. And if we run this, wait. To run the program of Go, there is another command which is named as Go run. What it will do is it will compile the program and generate a temporary file which will be run simultaneously. So let's do execute the program. And I think I haven't saved this program. That's why uh, syntax outside the function body, non-declaration syntax, found packages. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to uh, make this outside this basics folder, because it's detecting other files in this basics folder. So mm, we can't use it. Let me do something like this, then let's see if it works. No, we have to move it to another folder. Mm, let's name the folder as revision. There's so many files. Let me do it from the finder, then it can happen. Please give me some time. Now, yes, here is the folder. Now let's let me the send the file there also. Yes, now it has this file. Now let's try to run this. Okay, all right. So cd dot dot and then cd revision. Yes. Now it has this file. Now let's run this file. L29 and then non-declarative statement outside the main function. What is this, man? Yes, now it's running. Okay, I haven't saved the file. Now you see this emoji is already coming here, so it means that it supports Unicode, and then we can print emojis in the terminal also. So let's try to read the comments which are mentioned here. So we are sure that we haven't missed anything. There is include packages which uh, to include external packages which are beyond basic Go features. So if 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 we have this folder, if this file was in this folder, and then this program could access all the files from this code. But to include another package which is not in this folder, so we have to use an import statement. Let me just try to verify that also. I think you are not able to see the screen right now. Let me change it to full screen. Yeah, okay. So now I think you will be able to see what am I typing. Mm, all right. So what is import statement for in what are for import statement? What are import statement in Go and mm, Go? Are they used to access files outside the folder in which there is a Go file? Now let's see what does it says. All right. External packages. Yes, it says external packages, custom packages you create from another file folder. So I was right. Mm, yes, if those are part of a package. All right. So the external files have to be part of a particular package, then only you can import it via this import statement. Yes. When developing real world software, efficiency in deployment becomes crucial rather than repeatedly compiling our program. We compile it once and store it for future execution, which was done by Go build. So this process is achieved using Go build, as I have already told you. Now let's move to the other code in this Go program. So this is about something about Go compiler. This is the lecture 31. The Go compiler translates to machine code the code which he had written like this. They transferred it to machine code. Once the code is compiled, the runtime comes into play, and the runtimes manages execution of this program. It handled tasks such as memory allocation, garbage collection, and scheduling Go routines. Now, what is this memory allocation, garbage collection, and scheduling Go routine? Let me explain them one by one. Allocation means when you like make a variable in Go language. Now, what do you mean by a variable? So let me give a context to you. For example, let's say uh, hi is a variable. This is a gopher symbol, which is a shorthand notation uh, to declare a variable, to actually define a variable. Now, what is meant by by declaring a variable and defining a variable? To declare a variable, there is a different syntax, which is like var, and then the name of the variable, name of variable, and then there is type of that variable, and then there is an equal to sign, or you can, like, this is a declaration, so you can leave it empty. So but if we want to define a variable, what we can do is, if we are in local scope, we can use this name, and then a gopher sign, and then whatever you want to put into that variable, the type will be automatically checked by the compiler. So let's see, I put a string over here that my name is Gunu Singh. Yes. So this is a variable. So this is saying that we have not used this variable. What we can do is fmt.println, and then we can print this name. So this error goes away, and then this means that name is assigned a value which has a string, which whose value is my name is Gurnoor Singh. So let's continue here. The this type of memory location. So this variable is actually stored in a memory, in the random access memory of your CPU. So in Max, the random access memory is attached to the CPU, so I call that it is attached to CPU, while in some cases it is not directly attached to CPU. So what we see here, this is memory allocation, uh, that the variable is actually given a space in the RAM of the system. So next, let's see what's the garbage collection means. Garbage collection means that uh, the whenever the variables are not used. Hmm. Actually, I haven't used the garbage collection in Go. So let's see. For the timing, let's make this down. Yes. What is what to ask, man? What is garbage collection in oh my but when you don't use a variable variable in a code, the code does compiles files saying saying that some variable is not used. So it means that the variable that the code that there is no case of So that yes, excellent and very insightful question. Thanks, ChatGPT. Okay. Hmm. Unused variable. Okay. Okay. So it says that garbage collection is something that if you use a variable for a particular um, like if in your code there is some time when you are using that variable and after that time it has no use, then what Go program will do is Go compiler will actually uh, Go compiler will actually free that memory to save the resources. So this is actually the use of the Go program. Go function, Go language, it's very early. Let's word wrapping. Yes. So let's see. The runtime engine.